In this video, I've added the heartbeat, the zoom in and out, the soldier's heartbeat. I've added the music. I've added a particles transition. You can see here the smoke that's been added to this clip, the dark smoke. In this part of the video, I've added fog. Here we've got multiple overlays. It's been added as a transition from one scene to the next. And you've got smoke. So all of this has been added so that the video's not flat. It adds visual and audio effects. So you've got audio crossovers and stuff like that. So if you click on New Project, you can choose from your video photo gallery the photos you want to add. So you can add more on the timeline. Down in the bottom right hand corner you've got Add. If you go to Audio, then extracted, you can extract the audio from a video you've just added. There you can see the added audio. So we've just added a newly added video clip. It's gone to sounds and effects. And I search for explosion. Then click on the plus sign and you can add it. Tap on the tick to save it. You can move it around with your fingers. You can lengthen, shorten the audio, video tracks. A lot of these methods I'm showing you here are not only advanced CapCut video editing tips, they're general advanced video editing tips showing you how to produce better video quality. All sorts of different cuts. Trying to add the feeling that the soldiers would have going to war, add to the depth of the volume and the emotion of the video clip, the horrors of the war, the devastation. So we're adding smoke to give you the feeling, the flash bangs, the wallops, to give you the feeling that you're there. So as we go from one scene to the next, we want the darkness of what's going on from one scene into the next. All the images, the videos, the skulls, the soldiers, they've all been taken from Canva. The software is free to use. You could probably get things like this off of other places off the internet. Just be aware if you get images, video recordings off the internet, be aware of the copyright restrictions. So here we're going to add particles. You can choose whatever you want. Then we need tap on the tick. So now we're going to add some music. So you need to have the correct type of music for the video. You don't want a somber video having happy music. You can download a lot of the music from places like Epic Sound or YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has free pieces of music on there and sound effects as well. Be aware of the volume of your music on your video tracks. It may be too loud. Sometimes you can screencast it onto your TV so you can see how it plays on different devices. When you go into Canva to create a design such as a thumbnail or YouTube banner, when you go into elements over on the left hand side, you will find terrific amount of stuff. So you just type it into a navigation bar and it will bring up all sorts. Once you've found what you want, then you just click on it and then you can add it, download it. So we've got a thumbnail with some audio on it. So you can download it with a couple of methods, which I'm going to show you here. We go back into the video, go to audio, and then it extracted. Then you select the clip with the audio in it that you want. So this is the heartbeat. You can adjust the volume accordingly. You can move the audio to where you want it. So in this part of the video, we're going to add a video effect. So go down there onto effects, video effects. Then we're going to add sparks. Tap on the tick. Extend it so it plays for the full length of the video clip. So we're adding more depth and dimension to the video. So now we're going to add an overlay that adds effect to the music as well. This was downloaded from Canva again. So we can blend it in. You can adjust the blend as much as you want. So as the sniper fires his gun, you can see the smoke there. There's a bullet. Leaves the gun with a bit of imagination. So you can adjust the video how you want. So like the other part of the video, we're going to, because there's 2 gunshots, we're going to add another plume of smoke from the gun barrel. We're going to add this into the video, download it again. Same method as before. We're going to blend it in so that we can see it all without any issue. see the smoke but without the background. So adjust it to size with our fingers. So adjusting the speed. You have to forgive me, I've got a bit of a cold. So we're adjusting the speed of the smoke. Just tap on the tick once you're done. So what we're going to do later on in the video is add a sniper into the video so that you can see him shooting the soldier on the battlefield. So we're going to add that over the skull transition, so it's multi-layered overlays. Going to blend it in as well, so it gives a depth and feel of the movie. Again, we're adding a blend the sniper into the video clip. So as you can see, it's quite a fiddly process setting up all the different layers, blending everything in, adding more to the video shot, but you improves the impact for the viewer. So the clip has lots of little subtle effects in the background, so when you're watching it, it adds more feeling to the video. So if you go into effects, then video effects, you'll find everything in there that we're adding. So in this part of the video, we're going to add some fog to the track where the tanks have been. So I'm checking the video to make sure it all complements each other for the type of video film that I'm editing. So if it's a dark mood, if it's a cheerful mood, I add the elements that complement the video that I'm editing. All the different elements, you can move with your finger, lengthen, shorten the length of the elements, the effects that you've added. I hope you've learnt something today. Please like and subscribe if you want more video editing ideas.